Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Muhammad Asad Khan, and this is my lesson, Excel lesson 9.4, or on how to create pivot charts. So if you kindly refer back to my lesson number 9.3, in which I told you about how to create the pivot tables and multiple pivot tables in a single Excel sheet. So I'm now referring to my lesson 9.2, in which I created the pivot chart, the pivot table, sorry. And through this pivot table, I will create a pivot chart. So please press Shift, come on H1, uh, take your cursor on H1 cell, and then select it. Select H and I cells, both the columns, and up to ninth row, and then go on, because this is what your intention is, to see the results in the percentage form, which item of your expenditure is getting the lion's share. To check that, you want to see this in percentage. So the best, as I have already explained in my previous lessons, that the best representation of percentage is the pie chart. So I will go on the pie chart, and I think this one, the 3D, is the better one, and it has created a chart based on your pivot table. So the legends, in legends you can see items are coming. What is missing here? The first thing you would need to do is change the title of the pivot chart and make it like percentage expenditure. Percentage expenditure, I'm using acronym, percentage expenditure on items. Okay, and make it select it, make it bold and underline it, Control B and Control U. So with these shortcuts, it has been underlined and bold. And then come on this, come on the pivot chart, click on it, and if when you click on the pie chart, you can see that there is, it has been selected, and these small kind of bullets are coming, are basically appearing on the edges of the pivot chart on each pie. So that means this is basically selected. If you click other than this part of the chart, pivot chart, you will not get the desired results. So click on it, and then click the right mouse button, and then on add data labels. Okay, these are the data labels, and see that the amount is coming, but your intention is to see the percentage, to check the lion's share among your expenditure. So again, click on it. You can click, please don't click on this, on the values. If you click on the values, you will basically go on the formatting mode. So you don't want the formatting right now. Yes, later on you can do that, but right now, no. So click on the, again click on the pie chart. Okay, again on the pie chart like this, and then click right mouse button, again format data labels. See, the options have been changed. So this is basically format data label. Your pop-up is appearing, pop-up list. So click percentage here, label options, click percentage here. Okay, see, click percentage here, and so percentage is basically appearing. This is appearing on one pie. You want to you want this to be appeared on every pie. So mm, yes, so I'm basically, yes, select all the pies at once, and now click percentage. See, now they are appearing on the, with every pie of this pie chart. Just close this so you can see it better, and then drag it, pick it and drag it bit out of this pie, because it's not clear, not visible. You don't want to make the format background white. So make it, so take it out of this pie, and it will basically create a link by default. take it out. See the link, it has created a link. So see, the link has been created, the link has been created, the link has been created, and here the link has been created, and it's easier to see, easier to observe. See, so now you can see that when you ranked these values, the milk is getting the lion's share, 82,750, and here you can see it's getting 31%, the lion's share among your expenditure list of items. So the other thing you can do is you can basically insert a insert slicer. So with slicer, you can see that slicer, you want to check the item wise. You can basically want to see that how much I have expensed on 3 items or on 4 items or on 2 items. So add the slicer here. So if you click on beef, see the pie changed. If you basically click by pressing control and click on beef and click on butter and click on meat, and then just take your finger off the control button and see it has changed. So now while comparing milk, butter and beef at the total expenditure of 142,330, and in Urdu or Hindi you can say 1,42,330 out of grand total of 3 items, the lion's share is basically again of milk, and it's getting among 3 items it's getting 58%. So you can basically take the slicer at the right side, so you can check it easily, comfortably. So I think my today lesson is beneficial, valuable for you. So kindly, if you like it, then please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your other colleagues so they can have a better understanding of Excel pivot charts. Thank you very much for watching.